Made the video at the right time. Dang. Happy 4th of July, people! This is my second video I'm making. These ones are cool. These ones are cool. I got that. That's awesome. These ones are really cool. The ones that go up in the air and do that. Dang! These ones over here are my favorite though. Yeah. They're so loud and they look really cool. I named my first video Happy 4th of July and I don't know what I'm gonna name this one. Dang! I love those kind. Those are awesome. The ones that sparkle, like they explode and then they sparkle or something. Last time I had music playing of the 4th of July, like fireworks song, but I didn't. There's loud ones coming from over there, but you can't see them at all. The sky turned green. I'm making a video of the fireworks. The good ones are over here. I got some really good ones on the last video. But we're missing all the fireworks from over here. But, oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, there. We missed that one. They have colorful ones. The other people don't. I mean, wow. That's pretty colorful. Dang. Those ones sparkle. Those ones don't. Those ones sparkle. Oh, yes. These ones. Dang! I'm getting all of this on video. I can record for 10 minutes. I would be able to record for longer, but I don't have like internet or something stuff. You would be able to record for how long you want. So, dang. I think they're stopping now. What are you doing?